I could talk all day about how valuable it is to have research. Research is incredibly valuable to the way that we do agricultural practices and the way that we manage our animals, but also sustainability. We would not be able to maintain our industries and our way of life if we didn't have continuous improvement and understanding of what these animals are actually experiencing and how we can make both their lives better, but also improve our management practices so that we can keep these animals healthier for longer.
The Fedorka Lab, or the students that work underneath me, we focus on reproductive immunology. So we're trying to figure out how the immune system responds within the uterus of our broodmares. It's not just about publications or grants or money awarded, it's the actual clinically relevant data that we can produce that better these horses' lives.
When I started my master's degree, I was able to focus my research specifically in equine reproduction, but I was also able to learn more about immunology, that being both human and animal immunology as well. And so my research has definitely taken paths that I didn't know that it would, but it's been a very great experience so far.
The coolest part about our lab is that although one student becomes the lead of every project, they all work together hand in hand for every single one of them. All together, each one of them is not just a first author, they're also a co-author. And I think that that's what's even more important.
We challenge a lot of beliefs in industry, how big of an impact it actually has, and how the different systems in the horse do interact with each other. And I think the Fedorka Lab has really brought that to the forefront of the conversation with equine health and quality of life, reproduction, and even sportsmen.
And you learned from Dr. Fedorka.
For me and the job that I do, Colorado State University is Harvard. If you want to study equine reproduction, there's probably not a better university out there.
It's just a very special program with a lot of amazing people. When I first applied to be in the research lab, it was through a fellowship program. I stared at the application for a few days and I was like, maybe I'm not smart enough, maybe I'm not good enough, maybe all these things. And then I just kind of was like, no, I'm just gonna sit down, I'm gonna write it because the worst that they can say is no. Dr. Fedorka apparently said yes, and I have been very grateful for that opportunity and have just been here ever since. And I'm really excited to spend another year in her lab.
Yeah, so that's a really good question.
One of the primary reasons that I moved across the country to Colorado State University was to mentor these young men and women. I saw something in myself, something that I knew I had struggled with in my own undergraduate journey, where I felt very little mentorship in the pursuits that I wanted to pursue. It's been a really awesome opportunity to watch these young women grow and actually learn to become scientists themselves with mentorship that I can provide.
Embryo flush, it's splash, so we should get pregnant.
Dr. Fedorka has been the most influential professor I've had here. She really took me under her wing and saw how hard I've been working and really saw the passion I had in the industry. And she's provided a really great outlet for me to do this research that I love and to find a career in equine reproduction in this next chapter of my life.